Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Guys, it's the time of the year. For today's episode, I'm happy to share the upcoming Louis Vuitton Holiday 2024 collection. Yes, so this is going to be our first preview, first look of the collection. So currently guys, I only have some SLGs. I don't want to wait until everything is out before sharing them to you. Thus, when I have received this information, I wanted to immediately create this video, this vlog, so that I could definitely share it to our fam here, so that we are going to have an idea what prints would be coming out for Christmas and holidays. So guys, I hope you enjoy and stay until the end of the episode, and happy shopping! Hi guys, Ron here, Suki Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about lace, about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls, and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here. So please click on this so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please help me reach my 5,000 subbies this year. I would really appreciate it. And kindly like and share this video. Also, follow me on my new Instagram account. That's @Ramir52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Hi guys, I'm moving over here and I'll be looking at my phone so that I could provide you all the information that you need. So you know our practice here guys, I'll be providing everything that you need to know, from product name, product code, prices, launch dates. Just kindly ready your phone to take a screenshot. Alright, so let us begin. First, we have the Louis Vuitton card holder Christmas Vivienne. So guys, this collection would be launching November 1st, 2024. So please take note of this one as early as today. Kindly contact and check with your CA so you could pre-order this one, so you are going to be the first of the line. So first SLG, we have the card holder Vivienne. We have SKU here. The price of this one is €320. So now let us take a closer look of this SLG. So this is a card holder. We know what a classic card holder looks like. So the main material of this one is monogram canvas, and if we are going to zoom in, the leather that it comes with, it's like color a little bit like off-white. And what I am loving, of course, with this card holder would be the Vivienne, the white Vivienne. Not a print, guys, so I think this is also made of leather. So I am loving that Vivienne character in front. Then let's take a look at the back. So at the back, nothing special, so there are no holiday prints or whatever. Then let's take a closer look once you open. So once you open the card slot and zooming in, guys, we are going to see, are you seeing that guys? There is a Vivienne head or logo inside of this Louis Vuitton card holder. This has 3 card slots, 2 on the monogram part and 1 on the leather. But I believe if you're going to purchase this one, you could maximize it as long as this card holder could carry. And guys, I would also like to share, I was able to find another one of this card holder, and I believe, if I'm not mistaken, it would come in the colorway of the Vivienne character, would be with the red flower, and of course the leather trims that it come with the ballerine pink leatherway. So I'm guessing that they would have the same price, but again, I don't have the SKU for the red Vivienne with the pink trims. But once I have the SKU, I will be providing on our community wall and definitely creating a separate vlog. Alright, so now let us move on to the next SLG. We have the card holder charms, no show. So we have SKU here. The price of this one in euro, that's €430 and 530 USD. So let us take a closer look at this one. So this is another card holder just like the first that we have discussed, but the difference in this one, as you are going to notice guys, it comes with the D-ring and it comes with the Vivienne charm. So firstly guys, let us discuss first the print. So this is the print that we are going to notice on the entire holiday 2024 collection. So this is the snow show. So as we are going to notice, so the print of this one, we have the Vivienne. I'm not sure if this is a Vivienne new character. I'm guessing this is like a reindeer. Correct me guys if I'm mistaken or not, but it looks like a reindeer to me. So the flower of this Vivienne has the white flower, and then right beside it we have the snowflake with the Louis Vuitton logo in the middle, so as you could see. And then let us check the charms. The charms, guys, I am so enamored with the charms. Are you seeing the D-rings on the side of the card holder? So it means that you could attach this if, for example, your bag has a built-in chain, so that you won't have any difficulty in grabbing this card holder and getting your stuff outside. So now let us focus, guys, on the charms. As you can see, it comes with two charms. Number one, it has the Louis Vuitton flower charm, and zooming in, it has one part of that flower has the Louis Vuitton logo engraved. And this one, it's so cute. The second charm is the head of Vivienne. So as you can see, one of the eyes of Vivienne is the Louis Vuitton flower. I'm just wishing these charms could be fully detached, so perhaps you could wear this as an accessory, maybe as a pendant or as earring. But again, guys, that I believe that will never happen. Now let us take a look at the back portion of the card holder. So this is the print at the back of the card holder. I'm loving, guys, the dainty snowflakes with the Louis Vuitton logo on one side and the Louis Vuitton flower on the other side. And of course, once you open the top part, the leather part of the card holder, so again, the colorway of the card holder is a cerulean or maybe a turquoise colorway, and we're going to see the stamping, the gold stamping of Vivienne on this card holder. Now let's move on to the next colorway. So next we have the card holder charms Candy Factory. So please take note, Candy Factory. So this means another print for Louis Vuitton. So the price of this one, it's the same. It's 430 euro, 530 USD. We have SKU here, so please take a screenshot of this one. So this is the print. So let us take a closer look. So as you can see, the main material, of course, is monogram canvas, and the leather that it comes with is the bright red colorway. So this one, guys, I'm just looking at it, it's looking very festive, especially with the colorway. So let us focus first on the print. So with the print, so this is the front. So we are going to see we have Vivienne here, very festive, the flower. It looks like, a Christmas wreath or Christmas tree. So it comes with the contrasting green and red colorway. I am loving in this one. Then right beside Vivienne, we have a candy, a holiday candy, as you can see. And then zooming in on that candy, we're noticing that it comes with the Louis Vuitton logo. How cute. How cute and nice it would be, for example, you're going to purchase a Louis Vuitton Holiday 2024 collection, and they would be giving out candies like this, right? So, but again, Louis Vuitton would not be doing that. So looking at the charms as well, so as you're noticing, it's same charm, so it has two charms. So we have the Louis Vuitton flower, and it comes with the Louis Vuitton Vivienne head. It comes with a D-ring, so maybe you could also use this one as a bag charm. Maybe I would also try that if, for example, I would go to purchase, and it would have an ease in keeping and pulling this out of your bag. Now let us check the back part of this one. So the back part, we have two prints. So one, we have a gingerbread Louis Vuitton flower. How cute is this one? This is the first time that I'm noticing. So are you noticing that the Louis Vuitton gingerbread, one petal has broken off? So how cute. So it's like a cookie that has broken off. And then of course on the other side, what is this? I think this is an apple or maybe a cherry. What do you think, guys? I'm not really sure, but please do comment down below. And then of course, once you open the leather part of the card holder, we're going to see the gold stamping of Vivienne, and the stamping is in gold. Alright, so last but not the least, on the first look at the Louis Vuitton Holiday 2024 collection, this one, guys, I'm guessing this would be a hot item and everyone would be wanting to have this. It is the Louis Vuitton Pochette Cles, or the Key Cles. Would be launching November 1st, 2024. So this one still would be the snow show print, and the price of this one is 370 euro or 465 USD. So now let us take a closer look at the design. So the front part, guys, I am a huge fan of the Key Cles. I love mine. I really do. So the front part, let us focus first on the print. So first we have Vivienne playing and creating a snowball. So zooming in on the snowball, are you seeing, guys? Maybe it's like it has the Louis Vuitton print. I love the puffer jacket of Vivienne. It's pink, and then right beside the Vivienne playing. We have Louis Vuitton Northern Star. How cute is this one? And we are going to see a little bit of snowflakes right across the Key Cles. Now let us check the back part. The back part, guys. This is so precious. Just zooming in, we have a polar bear. Ah, how cute! How cute is this polar bear? Maybe this is a baby polar bear. And right beside here, we have a holiday lantern perhaps. So we have it actually here. We do create holiday lanterns here in the Philippines. And again, I could be wrong. So it is Louis Vuitton flower. And then once you open the leather part or the interior of the Key Cles is leather and it's color the turquoise. And we're going to see the gold stamping of Vivienne with the Vivienne head. And it writes there Louis Vuitton Paris as well. So nothing much on this one. Of course, this is just a Key Cles. I'm sure everyone is already familiar what or how the Key Cles looks like, but this one I really love this Key Cles because it has multiple uses. So you could use this one definitely as a catch-all, so you have take control of what you would be putting inside, maybe some mints, medicine, maybe your lipstick, lip gloss. But for me, I use it to house my credit cards, some bills, but most of the time I love using the Key Cles as a bag charm. And as we know, as of today, bag charms are such a huge trend, and definitely this would be such a huge hit. Alright guys, last but not the least, we have the PF Lisa from the Snow Show collection. Price is €572 or $645 USD. We have SKU here, sale launching November 1st. How cute is this front part? So we have Vivienne creating Snow Angel, then we have Vivienne playing with snow, and right across we have very dainty and very beautifully designed snowflakes. So we have two snowflakes. So guys, do you know the name of the baby Vivienne? Kindly comment down below. So notice the snowfall also has the Louis Vuitton flower, and this is how when you're going to open it. So the leather that it comes with is the turquoise colorway. Guys, please take note of the zipper pull. It's the head of Vivienne as well. How cute is this one? Such a beautiful SLG for the Louis Vuitton Holiday 2024 collection. Alright guys, so as a summary, currently right now I'm seeing 3 different designs of the Holiday 2024. So first we have the leather design of Vivienne. So this is not printed, it is made of leather, so that is one. And then number 2 would be the Snow Show. And then the number 3 would be Candy Factory. So we could expect this 3 prints, 3 designs with their Holiday 2024 collection. And we can perhaps maybe we could expect that they would be releasing Nano Speedy, maybe the Nano Noe, the Mini Pochette. Of course, they have many compact wallet. Again, guys, once I have everything, once I have more information about the Holiday 2024 collection, I would be definitely creating a separate vlog. So please make sure that you are subscribed to our channel. I just really wanted to share everything to you. And so far, these 4 SLGs that I have shared to you today, to be honest, I'm not disappointed. I'm actually quite happy on how they have printed the holiday for 2024, because to be honest, last year I'm not really such a huge fan of the print, but this time I'm kind of loving, of course, the different prints and of course the different color of the leather that they have used. So I can't wait to see, like for example, how the bags or the small bags and other SLGs would look like. So guys, please make sure you stay tuned and make sure you always watch our channel. There, did you enjoy our episode for today? So guys, if you have stayed until this part of this episode, kindly leave me a snowflake emoji. I would really appreciate it. Thank you. Before we end our episode for today, I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here, so please click on this so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's at Romero52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!